Hello friends! Welcome to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we'll learn how to activate your Capital One credit card online in 2026, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Capital One website, www.capitalone.com. If you already have an online account, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username and password, then click Sign In. Your card will be activated instantly. If you don't have an online account yet, click on Set Up Online Access. Here, you'll need to enter your last name, social security number, and date of birth to create your account. Once logged in, look for the option to activate your new credit card, usually found on the homepage or under the Account Services section. Follow the on-screen prompts and provide the required details such as the last 3 digits of your card number. For security, you may be asked to verify your identity using a code sent to your registered email or phone number. After completing the verification process, you'll receive a confirmation that your Capital One card has been successfully activated. You can now start using your card immediately. Alternate method. You can also activate your card using the Capital One mobile app. Just download the app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, log in with your Capital One credentials, and follow the prompts to activate your card directly through the app. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.